What's up, guys? I actually forgot to film an intro this morning before we started on our little hike, but I kind of wanted to just explain what we're going to be doing today. So we are going to be exploring the haunted ravine, which is Barranco de Badajoz. I think that's how you say it. I'll put it down on the screen in case I'm pronouncing it wrong. But we actually wanted to explore this for a while. It's in the same area. I think it's in, again, I don't know if I'm saying this right, but we've been saying Güimar, which we're probably butchering. Again, I'll put the name of it down on the screen.
Güimar.
It's in the same area where the windows were that we explored a few weeks back. And so we wanted to go here mainly because of kind of all the cool legends that we've read. It's also a really big archaeological site. They've found several different Guanche mummies here, and the Guanche were the original people on the island before the Spanish came and conquered. So we wanted to explore that. People have supposedly seen like fire orbs, they've seen UFOs, they've seen like ghosts, different spirits, like even like alien sightings. So we're really into all that stuff, so we definitely wanted to go check it out for ourselves. Anyway, if that sounds interesting to you, then please keep watching. So we just parked our car and we were gonna walk up to the trail up there towards the ravine, but then we spotted this ominous looking little cave over here, and most of the caves really aren't that deep, but we want to go up there and explore. It looks like a pretty big cave, so I got my headlamp on. We had to, we couldn't find the other one, so hopefully one will be good enough, but we're gonna just go up there and poke in and do a little exploring and see if we find anything cool. So let's go. It's in there.
It's gonna be ghosts.
There might not be any ghosts. It's really high in here.
A lava tunnel.
Do you think it's a lava tunnel, or do you think that the Guanche carved this out?
I don't know.
Should we go look?
Do you want me to go first?
I'm the one with the headlamp. I'm going first.
I don't need light.
Yeah.
No.
Okay. Here, let me see the camera. I don't know about this. The ground's mushy. Holy f***, this goes far. Just don't want to like accidentally come upon if someone lives in here.
What's this?
I'm not really sure.
Can you point your light over here to the left? Oh, never mind.
Babe, this goes really f***ing far back.
What is this?
I can't even see how far back it goes.
Why does it go so deep?
Why is there so many moths in here?
I don't know.
Where's the ground at? Bruh, it keeps going.
I don't want to go too deep in. Babe, how deep does this go?
I don't know. Wait, that guy... Oh, shit. I wonder if I caught that on camera.
What?
There was like a smoke thing right here.
Yeah. Well, we don't know how far this goes.
Oh shit, there it is again.
It's okay, it's dust.
Are you sure?
Yeah, it's dust.
How do you know?
Because it's dusty in here. See? Lots of dust. It's from your lamp.
Smells like pee.
Alright, this is a little too far.
You sure?
Yeah.
Why?
Because we don't know what's back there. Remember, we still have to get back out. And I don't have a light.
So if you don't think that was dust, then what do you think it was?
Well, even if it was dust, I don't know why it would be there.
I don't either.
We weren't kicking up dust.
Yeah, I know. We're just standing still. I wish we went all the way in.
Well, we should tell someone first before we go in.
Yeah, it's probably the smart thing to do. Okay, so we just went in some random cave. I didn't really think it was actually going to be that deep because most of the caves aren't. But that one went really, really, really far back, like extremely far back. I don't know how far. And yeah, I don't know. It doesn't look like anyone goes into it because there wasn't like any trash or litter or anything in there. So probably not safe. We didn't explore all the way to the back because we only had the one headlamp and no one knows where we are, and we were worried that our voices could cause the cave to cave in on us. But there's like a family in there right now, and their dogs were like whimpering, like they're afraid to be in the cave. So I don't know, man, some spooky stuff going on. Oh. So the creepiest thing ever just happened. We're not even like fully into the haunted ravine yet, and we're hearing this really weird whistling noise. Like it's not a bird. And so I was like, Matt, did you hear that? And he's like, no, I didn't hear anything. And so I mimicked the whistling sound. I went, and it literally did it back. And so I did it again, and then it happened again. And then Matt was like, well, the ancient Guanche language was a whistling language since we're in the mountains, so they could hear each other from long distances. So I think there's literally a ghost whistling and trying to like talk to us. It's creepy. But anyway, we're gonna keep going because definitely just heard the whistling again. Okay, well, that's enough for now. I just found this rock. It kind of looks like an ancient arrowhead. Am I crazy, or does that look like it could have been an arrowhead? I don't know, but it's pretty cool. Okay, so we're gonna attempt to launch the drone. Last time we were here, we were at the Windows, which is a tunnel that literally has windows on it. It's really famous in this area, and this gorge is just below that. And last time we were here, we launched the drone, and there was no wind or anything. And like the drone just like took control of itself and drove itself right into a cliff. Even though Matt was steering it the opposite direction, it just literally drove itself into a cliff, which has never happened. We've crashed it before, but that was because Matt actually like flew it too low or flew it into something. And this was out in a big open space, and it was just out in the middle. Sorry. It's high elevation here. I don't have a lot of oxygen. But it was in a big open space, and then all of a sudden it just sat there, and then it turned, and then it just flew right into a cliff. And we obviously couldn't find it. So we're gonna attempt to fly the new drone And if it crashes itself again, I'm gonna be convinced this area is haunted and whatever is here does not want us filming and flying drones around. So let's see if we can get some drone footage. So look at this massive cave. This is really high up above us, but if I turn this way, you can see that, I don't know if you can see over there, but there are little caves all throughout the mountainside. And I really have no idea how anyone would have dug a cave that high up. But whoever they are, they're literally the boss for that. I'm on the trail now, and there's a hidden building right there. And I'm kind of curious what's in it and why it's just in the middle of nowhere, extremely overgrown. And it's kind of weird that there's just no trail carved out to get to it. Like everyone was just like, fuck that building in particular. But yeah, I don't know, maybe we'll go adventure over there. Okay, update. I found a little trail. So while Matt is launching the drone, yeah, this better not be poison ivy. No, it's definitely not. I'm gonna go and see what is up here. And I would not do this if I wasn't positive that there's no poisonous freaking snakes on this island. So I swear to God, it seems like there would be. But I'm seeing like trash and stuff, which means other people have explored up here before. And I'm feeling adventurous, so we're gonna do it. Oh, it's a lizard. Okay. Hopefully there's no fucking like homeless people up here. Swear to God. This is like really fucking sketch. Okay. Did you guys hear that? Maybe it's just a lizard crawling over the tin. I swear, if this is poison ivy, I'm not gonna be amused. I don't know, man. Technoculture. Dead. I wonder if that's like where they do the raves. Okay, I'm not going in there. Sounds like water.
Oh, babe, videotape this.
No. Do you hear water?
Tsunami.
I think there is water running through these.
What, from 1912?
Yeah. Weird how no one else is out here, huh? Isn't it weird how no one else is out here?
Because they're all dead.
No.
Yeah.
We've been literally like the only people on the trail this entire time. Except for someone who had like 2 rabid chihuahuas that were trying to kill us, but other than that, there's been no one. Which is really odd considering this is like a hiking destination spot, so. Why does the water sound so loud? Are we by a waterfall? Oh. What the heck?
What is this?
Oh, it is. There's water in there.
Where did the water come from?
I don't know. It's pretty cool. Oh, another abandoned house. Shocker of the century. Techno culture. Again, they definitely must have raves out here or something. I don't know. I've seen that on every abandoned building. What the hell is that? Babe, what the hell is that?
What is this?
What the hell is this cave?
It's a water cave.
it goes really deep in there. That's gonna be a no from me, dog. So we're still hiking through this ravine. The reason we actually wanted to come here was because it's been dubbed as being like the haunted ravine, or like a portal to another dimension. There's been lots of UFO sightings here. There's been disappearances, stuff like that. So we're really into all that weird, like, supernatural ghost type UFO stuff. So we're low-key kind of hoping to see UFO. Obviously, we're not, most likely not going to. But I was trying to convince Matt we should camp out here, but we didn't end up getting to do that because I'm obviously psycho. But yeah, I'll just have to settle for exploring caves. And with that being said, there's actually a cave right there. Overgrown cave. Should we go take a peek? Ooh, it's a bit steep. Huh, there's thorns. Be careful of those. Oh boy. I don't think anyone goes in this cave. Man, it's kind of a creepy one. I'm trying to see into the cave. I can't really tell. I'm just gonna come back down. Oh, Jesus. Can't photograph me dying. Here, wait, I'm gonna need your hand.
What about me?
What do you mean, what about you? You're on flat ground.
I know you're not. I'm in lots of pain.
You're not in any pain.
I've been attacked.
No. Oh, shit.
What are you doing?
Sorry.
You're trying to push me into the stick bushes? What's my safety just doesn't matter?
No. Oh, God.
Oh, God damn.
Okay. Onward ho. All right, well, up we go. Well, this is creepy. My wild bushman. Who's this wild bushman? So we just decided to try the whistling thing again, just for shits, to see if we heard anything. And so we're just standing here doing it, and someone did it back, but like really far away. And so we weren't sure if we heard it, so we just did it a second and a third time, and each time they were doing it back. But there's no one else out here. Like, we went to the end of the trail and back. And the wall, this is like sheer cliff. Like, it's totally sheer cliff. So, I don't know what's going on. A little creepy. Maybe there's just someone else in the mountains who heard me and they're doing it back, but it's pretty crazy anyway. It's starting to get a little dark, so I think we're just gonna get out of here and leave whatever that is to be. Just got back to the car, so that is it for today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments if you think that we should go back and explore that cave again, or if you know anything about that cave. We still need to research it and Google it, but we haven't seen anything in like regards to it when we were looking up the actual trail and all of that. So I don't know, it doesn't really look like many people go in there, but it went really, really deep. So if you know anything about that, or like where it goes, what it was for, leave a comment down below because we're really interested in knowing. Anyway, that's gonna do it for today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you so much for watching.